friends, I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today we will discuss about type of Java application. Java application which are used in Java. Recently we have discussed different 4 type of application in Java. Standalone application, web application, enterprise application and mobile application. These 4 applications are used in Java and developing different tasks. First one is standalone application is known as desktop application or window based application. It is basically window based application. The next one is web application, and web application is an application that runs on the server side and create dynamic pages. We have to use this web application creating web pages also and run on the server side also. The next one is enterprise application. Enterprise application is an application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications. It was distributed in nature. For example, banking applications, banking sector, banking application, different kind of banks. Next one is mobile application. Mobile application is an application that is created by mobile device. It is created by specially for mobile devices, and it is basically currently used Android and Java ME. Java ME, it is used for creating mobile applications for only for mobiles, that used in only mobiles and using through Java applications, web application through Java platform forms and additions. After that topic, we have to discuss Java SE, Java Standard Edition in Java platform additions. In Java Editions, Java Standard Edition, it is a Java programming platform. It includes Java programming APIs such as Java.lang, Java Input Output, Java Net, Java Utility. It includes extra topic also. For example, like OOPS, string, these kind of topics also include in SE, Java Standard Editions. Next one is Java EE, Java Enterprises Edition. Java Enterprise Edition, it is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop web and enterprises. Basically, it was develop web and enterprise applications. It is built on the top of Java SE platform. It is basically built on the top of Java SE platform. Next one is Java ME, Java Micro Edition. In Java Micro Edition, it is micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. In Java ME Micro Edition, it is basically dependent on mobile applications which developed for mobiles. We have to use in mobiles Java programs, Java programmings, applications, apps and these kinds of things. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment, share. gurukpo.com